In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a single arm incline dumbbell press. Now there's a couple of reasons why I might give this to somebody. The first reason is they might be doing a rehab. We might want to work one side at a time. Alternatively, someone might have muscular imbalances. They might be stronger through one side or one pec through, let's say, years of machine use. And ultimately, this is also going to be a great benefit to those that are looking to incorporate lots of core functional exercise to their exercise plans. Because when you have two dumbbells, you've got even weight distribution on both sides. As soon as we take one away, your core has to work really, really hard to make sure your lower back is completely on the bench without you rotating towards the side you've got the weight. Now, to create an incline, what we've got to do is we've got to pop the bench into a position where your chest is higher than your hips. So on this bench, I've got a pin mechanism. I pop the pin out, slide the bench up, and typically I'd be looking at the first or second setting of incline, dependent on the bench. Now, the question I get asked as a trainer a lot is, if somebody is doing an incline bench and they're doing that rather than a flat bench, what's the benefits? Well, the benefits of an incline bench is you're going to hit more of the upper chest fibers in this exercise variation. Elbow into the side, feet together, and you're going to come all the way back until your back and head are rested on the bench. Elbow comes out. You'll notice my elbow is below the position of my shoulder. Think chest press. So I want this dumbbell to be in line with my chest. I don't want it to be in line with my shoulder. So shoulder is going to be slightly higher than elbow. From here, your spare hand can come out to the side. It can rest on your hip. Just make sure you're not grabbing the bench, because then you're not going to be utilizing your core, especially when you get onto the heavier weights. From here, I press up and in. And when I come down, I come back out. Up and in, down and back out. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Once you've done the exercise, elbow in. If you're using really heavy weights, you might want to bring your knee up to assist you back to your start position. That is how you do a single arm incline dumbbell chest press or incline press. And you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, focusing on your weaker side first if you have one.